Hello, I am Belladonna Nightshade. Get ready, Dallas-Fort Worth. Delivery drones from California-based Zipline are coming to Texas, dropping packages right in your backyard. Over the next few weeks, you might spot these drones flying 300 feet overhead during test flights. Zipline's partnering with Walmart to bring this tech to Kaufman and Dallas-Fort Worth, with drones loading orders in seconds and zipping off to their destinations. Please watch the following video. I'm sure you will have questions.
Oh, man.
I had been wondering when package delivery by drone would happen. Stay tuned. Your next delivery might just fall from the sky.